Howdy folks, what's today? March 31st. What's that? Gonna be 11 days after starting these babies. Take a look. So, I screwed up a little bit. I made the hothouse inside a little too warm, so they got a little long and leggy. This one here, this is the Wallace 2114, but take a look. Started its first true leaf here, and these other ones all have their first true leaf. So I'm bringing them outside. It's late in the day now, so the sun's not really hot, and I'm going to bring them into the greenhouse. These cats out here. Get out. I'll set them down, and then what I'm going to do is repot them. I'm going to put them in these bigger pots and let them just get their roots structure a lot bigger. And then I'll show you what I did out front for my hothouse for the pumpkins. And that's been a struggle to say the least, but I think I got a system underway. So thanks for tuning in. We'll check in with you in a little bit. Okay guys, here we go. So this is the Wallace 2114. And if you take a look here, it's pretty amazing that this little seed right here, this little seed through this guy right here, you can see here's one of those roots coming through the peat pot right there. So I'm going to just peel this back really gently. You don't have to do that. I just kind of want to see. Wow. That is what winters are made of right there. Look at those roots. Okay, that's about all I'm going to do because I don't want to damage those babies. Hi guys, we're out here in the front where I plan on growing our giant pumpkin this year, and I'm on version 3.0 of this hoop house. First 2 times the plastic's blown off. I had the pitch a little steeper, and now I've moved these posts out, and I'm going to bury these heating coils into the soil. I measured the soil earlier today. It was about 60 degrees. This is 48 feet loop. I'm going to put all throughout here. And as you can see, the soil, I've been walking on it a lot, so it's pretty compact. So I probably shouldn't have lowered the height of this before I started wanting to till this over, but I'm going to turn this dirt over, loosen it up again, and then put this coil in the ground. I'm going to put it pretty deep so that those roots kind of start shooting down a lot deeper, and hopefully that gets them a good start. So I'll check back with you in a little bit. So this is what I ended up doing. I said hell with it and busted out the tractor and just tilled this area up again. And then I buried that coil, maybe 4 or 6 inches right there. And I ran out of plastic to cover this thing for the 3rd time, so I'm just covering the dirt where that coil is to try to get that soil heated up, that ground warm. Because I got pumpkin started in the house, I got to get it in the ground here pretty soon. So when I get a chance, I'll go get some more plastic in town and cover this up, but we'll see what happens doing it like this. What you doing there, Clara? Right.
It came, Daddy. Now I'm gonna push it in. Now I'm zooming.
Well, we should probably put a little bit of dirt on top of that. I'll do that for you though. But good job.
Let's do this plant. It came. It came.
Very good. Nice work. Okay. Got this last one here.
Okay. And then we're gonna be done?
Yep.
Make the hole.
I'll make the hole for you.
Wait, it's all one piece.
This from the bottom of this pot.
Little.
Okay.
Oh, I can hear Mommy. Wait, are you busy talking?
So tell them what you're doing.
Daddy, I can tell him.
Oh, there you go.
It's coming. Wait.
Get that hole ready for you.
Coming. Should I put my hands like that?
Yep.
Cats.
Just shake it. Yep. See, when you press it though, it gets all wrinkled and then it won't want to come out. So there you go.
That's our last one, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go check on them. I'm gonna go see if the cats are gonna do.
Okay, thanks for your help.